Okay, my name's Kevin Berry. Welcome to Accounting 230. I'm just going to give a brief introduction of myself, and then in another video I'll talk about the textbook and materials for the course. So like I said, I'm Kevin Berry. I have a PhD and I'm a CMA also. My office hours 2 to 4. It's supposed to be 2 p.m. to 4 in 310B Cohodes Hall. And there's my email, and the class time for this class is noon to 1:40 on Monday and Wednesday. So formerly I was taught accounting at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. I was there for the last, except for last year, I think 13 years. I was a full professor in accounting and also the associate dean. Prior to that, I taught at Bradley University for a while, and where I went to school, I started at University of Alaska Anchorage and then finished my undergrad at Bradley University in Illinois, and then for my master's I went to the University of Missouri and then attended Oklahoma State University for my PhD. I preferred to be called Kevin in class. It's a little more professional here, so outside of class you should probably call me Professor Berry or Dr. Berry. This is my family, so I have 2 stepdaughters and a wife, so my wife's in the middle there. On the one side is Riley. She's my youngest. She's still back in Fairbanks. And my oldest is Sean, and she's in Washington, D.C. Why I liked accounting. I took a test in high school. I had friends that majored in accounting, and then of course I thought I wouldn't have to write any papers, and I knew I'd be able to get a job. To me, accounting's a good major. Many opportunities in accounting. You have the skill to work in other areas. It's challenging, it's a career, and you're always learning, and accountants adapt very well. And as you can tell lately, that's what you really have to be, is adaptable. So this semester, I would say the most important thing for you is your health. When we do get to class, so one half is going to have to come on Monday and the other half is going to come on Wednesday. There will be a seating chart, and that's required that I have a seating chart. You cannot change seats, and that's all because of contact tracing, and I have to take attendance daily. Also, you will be required to use a mask. So those are all very important things. Try and communicate as much as possible with me. And for communication, I prefer email. You can also call my office phone, but I haven't really got it set up yet. So that's 2597. But really, email's the best way. So I have my email going through to my cell phone, and I'm pretty good about checking it. Just make sure you put Accounting 230 in the subject line. One thing I've learned lately is don't stack things by returning an email I sent, because it becomes confusing to what I've answered and what I haven't. And please provide sufficient details in emails so that I can effectively answer your questions. So that's it. Good luck in the course. I'm going to do another little video about the textbook.